Yo, what's up? Check it out. I got the Yocan Uni today. I just wanted to do a little overview of it. Little review, kind of. This is one of my favorite vape batteries. I've had this battery for probably about a year now, and it's still working just as good as the day I got it. It's got this little lever right here. When you push it up, it kind of pops your cartridge out a little bit. And then you can push back in. But then it's also got this like sliding circle. And if you look down the hole, you see how when you turn it, it kind of tightens. So that makes it so that your cartridge doesn't ever fall out. Well, I guess if you pull it, it'll come out, but it definitely helps keep it in there. It's got a hole in it so you can kind of see how much you're working with still. But yeah, I just wanted to do an overview. I did a review on this on my channel about a year ago, but it was pretty bad quality. So I just wanted to redeem myself, make a little bit better video so you can see the actual features. It's got a little charger right there, micro USB. It says Uni on the top. But yeah, this thing's like $19 on eBay or probably on their website, I don't know. But you guys should check it out. And check out the rest of my channel. I got a bunch of other videos. I got different pen reviews, different cartridge reviews, got some different electronic stuff. But yeah, go check it out. Show some love. Peace.